You'll want to ensure the longest possible lifespan for both your waste holding and grey water tank. Because despite daily maintenance, residues will always remain in those tanks. Think of grease deposits and limescale. That's why it's important to give those waste tanks a thorough clean a few times a year. For this, Thetford has developed Duo Tank Cleaner Concentrated. For the waste holding tank, after it has been emptied and rinsed, add 200 milliliters of Duo Tank Cleaner Concentrated. Next, you fill the tank with lukewarm water. Give it a good shake a few times, or slide it back into your caravan or motorhome and drive home. It's important that the liquid remains in the tank for at least 24 hours and that all parts are fully covered. And after that, it can be emptied. For your grey water tank, add 600 milliliters of Duo Tank Cleaner Concentrated and fill the tank with preferably lukewarm water. Drive your motorhome or caravan home, ensuring all parts in the tank are well covered. Let it sit for 24 hours, after which you can empty the tank as well. Duo Tank Cleaner comes in a bottle made from recycled plastic. For further information, please visit Thetford.com.